Hello, and welcome to Mass Effect Andromeda. I wonder if I even pronounced that right. Today, my family, we are going to be checking this game out. Now, I've checked out a few Mass Effect games, but I haven't really checked them out. I don't know what this one's about. Apparently, we get quick start, and then customized character multiplayer. So I don't really know what any of this is, so obviously I want to customize my character. I guess that's a way to start the game. How's everybody doing? You having a good New Year's today? I'm kicking off the New Year's with scary games. Starting tomorrow. It's gonna be pretty fun. It's gonna be pretty epic. Kinda curious though what everybody's got for their New Year's resolutions. Me, not really anything. Because every time I set them, it doesn't happen. So, unfortunately, Obviously, I'm gonna be a dude, because why not? I'll go with default, because why not? Trading security. It's like a tank. Like an all-out war zone guy. Kind of like a tank. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go with leader. Yeah. My name is gonna be Marvelous Rider. Yeah. Hmm. Oh, okay. Let's go with normal. Because I don't really have played one of these. Ish. What? English? Who? What? When? Where? So we got Marvelous Rider. Sounds pretty legit, don't you think? Do. Oh, sorry.
Every great moment in our history began with a dream. Each bold leap forward was achieved by those willing to do anything to attain it. We are, all of us, leaving behind families, homes, the very birthplace of our species. Some for discovery, to see the unknown. Others for a new start. But today, whatever our reasons, we take the first steps toward a new future for humanity. Today, we begin to make our dream reality.
early now. So glad in 8 years, you know. Wow, that scared me a little. Good God, it's 34 years later. Did we?
Deep breaths. You're gonna want to take it easy.
I've been taking it easy for 600 years.
Ryder, Recon Specialist, Pathfinder Mission Team.
Pathfinder team, eh? The ones finding us a home.
Can you make it somewhere tropical? Nice, warm ocean, summer year-round?
How about we get him a cup of coffee first?
The selection process saw the Andromeda Initiative evaluate thousands of potential habitable planets within the galaxy.
Ryder, let's get you checked out. Look here.
After discovering an unusually high ratio of potential candidates for golden worlds, the Helios cluster was selected as our destination. Now you are a part of the first wave of Arks arriving in Andromeda, our new home for humanity.
Oh, so the planet's named
Makes it
Andromeda.
sound so easy, doesn't it?
I hope not. I signed up for a little adventure before we settle down.
Well, buckle up. Sounds like you'll get your wish.
Yeah?
Over here now, the Pathfinder wants you all on your feet right away. He said mission ready within the hour.
Any idea why?
No, but I'm guessing that's where your adventure comes in? Okay, everything checks out. Just one more thing before I send you on your way. Let's test your SAM implant. Sam, are you monitoring? Sam, are you online?
Yes, Dr. Taparo. Good morning, Ryder. Are you feeling well?
I just need a second to get my bearings. What's this about my implant?
A routine check. After being in stasis, we want to make sure the connection's still live.
As the team's mission computer, your well-being is my primary concern.
Assuming the implants work as advertised, Sam sees what you see, in theory. We won't know for sure until we get you in the field. How are you feeling otherwise?
I feel like a 600-year-old popsicle. I hope we packed more coffee.
Readings confirmed. Based on the levels of adenosine in your system, the neural implant is functioning properly.
Wait, adeno what?
It just means you're still shaking off your nap. No reason why we can't get you on your way. Though you may want to hang around while we revive your sister, it always helps to see a familiar face.
I don't like the sound of that.
Uh,
What's happening?
Just hang on.
Engineering, report.
No.
Remedy file is offline.
Careful of the stands! Hold on!
This is Cora. I'm at the cryo bay. Brace for a reset. Everyone okay? I think so.
What happened?
We're not sure. Sensors are scrambled. But it's good to see you're up. Feels like centuries since we spoke.
This is the Pathfinder. Mission teams continue preparations. Cora, Riders, report to the bridge.
You heard him. Let's get...
We have a problem over here. It's Sarah Ryder.
Can I change my mouse sensitivity? Holy shoot, talking mushrooms. Oh, thank God I can hit the options menu now. I think. Okay, here we go.
What's wrong? I don't know.
Oh God, now it's really slow. It's probably right there, it's probably fine. Yeah, perfect.
Well, it looks like some sort of power surge. Ryder,
Is my sister okay?
Sarah's fine. Her vitals are strong, but the revival procedure was interrupted.
When can she wake up?
We don't want to rush it. Sam,
My connection to Sarah's implant was suspended. However, her pulse, respiration, and brain activity are all normal.
to be on the safe side, we'll need to keep her in a low-level coma for a while, then let her body regain consciousness naturally. She'll be fine.
Glad to hear it.
Thanks, Lexi. Keep us updated. Ryder, I'll wait for you at the door, whenever you're ready to go.
This is the captain. I need damage assessment updates on the double.
Gravity loss means system should program.
You ready?
What's wrong?
Hey, up here! Whenever you see our strike weapon, activate power loader and explode. We don't know where the fault is.
Ryder
Okay.
can find it. He has a scanner. Quick, Ryder, use it to locate the fault.
On it.
I'll try to get readings on the second conduit.
Hayward, get on this. I'll override the safeties.
Got it.
There's no indication of a fault in this component.
Keep looking.
This equipment is operating normally. Relay 2C shows damage from a temperature spike.
Found it! Bad relay. Ryder, can you go reset it?
There! It's reset!
Rerouting the turret now.
Grid's recovering. It's working! Readings are in the green. Thank God. That could have been the end of everyone.
This is already weird.
Good job, Ryder. Now we can get to the train. That was close. Barely in Andromeda, and we're already scrambling.
The adventure begins.
Not sure your dad will see it that way. Go ahead.
Man, this game's already interesting. I have no idea what's going on, but it's going.
Helm control, report.
We're drifting. Flight controls aren't responding.
First priority is stopping these outages.
Mainline power's been knocked out. We're on reserves, Captain. They won't last.
What's that?
What's our position?
Unknown. We lost telemetry.
Sam, we need eyes out there.
Attempting to adjust sensor array.
Alec, please. You may be Pathfinder, but this is my ship.
Captain, the protocol's clear. In the absence of communication with the Nexus or the other arcs, we proceed to our appointed Golden World. Solid ground.
If it's even out there. Nobody said anything about running into an energy cloud, and that's just a wild guess what we hit. Alec, I need to assess the damage. Stop the bleeding. We've got 20,000 people asleep on this ship. Let's give them a chance to wake up.
Can you blame her?
She is the captain. I think she gets the final word.
Well, he might.
This isn't about having the final word.
Yes, sir.
We're coming through.
My God. Is that our Golden World?
That's Habitat 7. New Earth, if we're lucky. All of our long-range scans told us it was in the green zone. Perfect for human settlement.
It doesn't even look the same.
She's right. It looks pretty dicey from here. Are we sure about those scans?
It's a good question.
Things can change. It's been 600 years. Sam.
The energy from the phenomenon is damping our senses. Planetary conditions are unknown.
This game, wow, this is a good game too.
Souls adrift at sea. And when the power runs out and stays out, we need to know if that's safe harbor.
And if it's not?
As Pathfinder, it'll be my job to find an alternative. It's what we trained for. But if this goes well, we're already home.
All right, just make it quick.
Harper, the rest of the team should be awake by now. Have them spin up 2 shuttles. Planetfall in 30.
Yes, sir.
Jesus Lord, he quit. Let's do that. Wow.
A stubborn one, isn't he?
He cares in his own way. Enough to give him a chance.
I suppose you're right. He is our Pathfinder. If this doesn't work out, we'll need him more than ever. I need an ETA on our sensor repairs. We're blind out here.
It probably was a good planet to live. They got
My
infected
sister's
by
gonna
this
hate that she missed this.
large
Are
fart.
all the riders adrenaline junkies?
I guess it's in her blood. She beat me into the world by 1 minute. Couldn't wait to get started.
Well, don't worry. I'm sure Sarah will pull through.
When she does, she's gonna want stories.
So, let's get out there and find her some. Right, you'll want to get your helmet. And maybe stop.
As a member of the blah 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 oogaloo boogala, we're gonna go die now.
Before we go.
The what?
It's an old superstition of your dad's.
Got it.
That should do it.
The Pathfinder is now required.
Hooligan boogly first contact.
Bring sidearms. I've opened the armaments locker.
Hang in there. Looks like Dad's already suited up. Better not. No bathroom breaks on this trip.
So just another boring day at the office, huh?
If it was, this wouldn't be any fun. I can't wait to find out what's down there.
I know what you mean. I was
I'm talking to
wondering what it was
a
like when
monitor.
explorers crossed the ocean.
Hey, monitor.
Nothing but stars and dead reckoning to guide them.
And a map that said, "Here be dragons."
Well, if they made it, we can too. And maybe see a dragon along the way.
Never know. Let's keep an eye out.
And our distance.
On that note, I'd better get my gear in order.
Nyong.
Hope I won't need this.
You never know. Now let's get to the shuttles.
Okay, let's go. Kind of looking forward to seeing some of his combats like in this and other stuff.
Dr. Carlyle, with everything going on, I think the Ark needs you more than we do.
Pathfinder wants a medic on hand, and if that is home down there, I'm happy to knock on the door.
If it's what we hope it is, it'll be one for the history books. You got a quote ready? One small step?
I'm pretty sure your dad will handle that honor.
All right, team, button it up. We leave in 5.
Why is his red?
We broke out the weapons as requested. Anything we should know about?
Seemed prudent given the situation. We'll be short-handed with Sarah out. I heard what happened. Your sister's strong. She'll make it.
Sarah wouldn't want us to worry because of her.
You're right. The mission comes first.
Yeah, Daddy, let's go.
I doubt your mother would have seen it that way. I promised her I'd get you two here safely.
I feel like the dad in this game looks like any other
Okay,
dad.
team, listen up. I chose each of you for the Pathfinder team, not just because you're talented and passionate, but because you're dreamers, like me. We dream of exploring the unknown, finding the edge of the map, and then discovering what lies beyond. When people look back on this, and they will, they'll remember we didn't give up. That we kept dreaming, that our first few faltering steps in Andromeda were the beginning of everything they know. We only get one chance to be first. So, let's go make history.
And then everybody dies.
600 years for this.
Archive, this is Shuttle 1. Switching to manual guidance.
Shuttle 2, taking your lead.
Good luck, Pathfinder team.
Dun 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 dun.
Turning to Vector 135.
Copy that. You're on point.
Wow, will you look at that? Whatever it is, it stopped the Hyperion in its tracks.
It appears to be an unstable mass of dark energy.
If you say so.
Steer clear of it.
Getting some chop here.
Gravity anomalies detected.
Seems like it even out.
Stomach, appreciate that.
We're clear. Accelerating cruising speed.
Right. We didn't have a chance to meet back in the Milky Way. Name's Liam Costa, security and response specialist.
Good to meet you, Liam.
Unbelievable funny doing this.
Sure beats reading the brochures.
Getting on acceleration. Planet's dead ahead. Hang on. DCC atmospheric entry.
Here we go.
The flight guidance scrambled. It'll pass. The controls are fighting me.
Adjust effect factor 3 degrees to stop.
Holy.
Shuttle 2, are you seeing us?
Copy that. Doesn't look like a golden world from here.
Ionization levels rising.
Stay on course to the landing zone.
Oxygen levels are below minimum human requirements.
Is this the right planet? We have this all worked out.
Keep it tight, Shuttle 2.
Malcolm's exploding.
What time?
Has to be advanced engineering.
Hyperion, this is the Pathfinder. We've got evidence of an alien civilization.
Has anyone seen us?
What if they're not friendly?
We stick to contact protocol. No use of deadly force unless hostile intent is clear.
Okay. Yeah, he did, and I'm dead. Everybody did.
Acceleration increasing.
No kidding!
Your jump jet is malfunctioning.
Get it working!
Approaching terminal velocity.
Oh god. Well, that's neat. No one wants something like that. Yeah, I don't think this planet is livable. Oh god.
This is Ryder. Come in. Hyperion, Sam, anyone there? Take your breath, Ryder. Sam's offline. Comlink's crashed. I'm surprised we aren't too. Did we really do that? Or are we dead and don't know it? Well, we found hell. I can tell you that much.
We found hell, I can tell you that much.
Looks like we're gonna find some high ground. See if anyone else is alive. Come on.
Ryder, how's your survival training? I've seen my share of troubles.
First contact, oh yeah.
Well, crazy just found us. Those ropes out there are floating. Terra Incognita. Some of these plants look like tentacles. Damage to the crash. No good to us now. Those structures we saw on the way in, who could survive in a place like this? Not sure we want to find out.
So I get to scan everything. Get research data and stuff.
Oh, and safety tip. Don't breathe the air. Found that out the hard way.
Got it.
You think that energy cloud we saw could cause all this? Sam said it's dark energy, but that's in space.
Yeah, hell of a cloud.
A cloud that makes boulders float. What the hell is this? Come on, we gotta get through it. This is crazy! Welcome to Habitat 7! Keep moving! Ah! Damn it! Look safer under there! Is this for real? What the hell's going on with this place?
Bad things, obviously.
It's trying to murder us?
I mean, you keep asking the dumb questions, Liam.
Look, something flying around in the sky. Oh, wow. Here be dragons. Cora will love it. There! We get up that cliff, we find high ground. Come on! Not sure we want to be the tallest thing around here.
Yeah, probably have to do some combat. I don't harvest this thing. Or is it already harvested? I think it's already harvested.
I think I can see a path up. We'll use the jump jets if we have to.
Into the breach!
Think I'd rather fall than get hit by lightning.
Give it a minute. We can probably do both. How'd my dad find you?
I was a cop, then crisis response.
Yeah?
Tell you over a beer sometime.
This is gonna be close!
Yeah.
That's it. We're getting there.
Yeah. I'm liking this game so far.
Mind making some room? Thanks. What the hell is that? It's not a hotel, that's for sure. Nothing around here makes any sense. New galaxy, new ways to die. Just not today. Ryder, it's Fisher. Wait. Look. Holy shit. What was first contact protocol again? No deadly force unless fired upon. Yeah, said no one in the field ever. How do we handle it? Just be ready if this goes south. It usually does. Just say the word and I go hot. They haven't spotted us yet. And I am shooting! He's us! We can't understand you. Give us our man, or this gets ugly. You... Go, son! What's the other guy doing? Shit, they're beating him. Okay. It's over. Fisher, you okay? So much for making peace with the locals. Thanks for jumping in. We tried talking. I guess they didn't want to listen. What else could we do? You saved my life.
Yeah, at least we know it's what. The brochures will lie with aliens who want to shoot your head off.
We still don't even know what they wanted.
The way they treated you? Blood samples, I'd say. Lots of them.
This isn't how first contact was supposed to go. Or at least not how I imagined it.
That's on them. Can't let it change us. Next time might go better.
Yeah, the whole neighborhood can't be bad.
Where are the others?
Gone. Kirkland and Greer went looking for help. Come on. My leg! Can you move? I think it's broken. You guys push ahead and look for the others.
You sure?
Yeah. Just find us a ride out of here. And take a few more of them out while you're at it.
Whoa. Take a look at these bodies. What are these things?
I don't know.
Well, I don't have Sam here, but I can try to make sense of it. They're DNA-based, and their armor reads as some kind of bone. But the genetics are all over the map.
Huh. I guess life took a different turn here, huh? I hope the other team's okay.
We'll find them.
Can we get better guns?
But we might want to scout around first.
You're the recon specialist. Point the way.
Right.
Looks like you knew how to handle a gun back there.
Spent time with an Alliance peacekeeping force.
I mean, I just unloaded in his face. That's all I did. Nothing special.
It's gear from one of our shuttles. Good.
Yeah, I'll take it.
The atmospheric sensor is still working.
Let me guess. It says don't breathe the air?
Yeah, but no sign of industrial pollutants. That's not what killed this place. And no radioactive isotopes either. So nobody nuked the place.
So I killed this place.
Hear that?
Is that Kirkland?
Please, I surrender.
It's good!
No vital signs. Just shot him in cold blood.
He was trying to surrender. Why kill him?
Would we treat them any different if they showed up on Earth, armed to the teeth?
Maybe not.
Peace isn't going to be an option here. We'll come back for his body once we find the others.
Still, take a look at this architecture. This is really something.
Oh. Oh, at least I got a machine gun now.
Never seen anything like it. Looks to be at least 3 or 4 centuries old.
The ark's left 600 years ago, right?
Yeah, our long-range scans wouldn't have shown this. These structures, that tower, maybe none of it was here when we left the Milky Way.
Hey look, flares going up over there.
Could be our people. I'll mark the nav point.
Shit, hear that? The hell's that?
There, watch out! What is this thing? I think it wants to eat us!
Okay, it's dead.
Scan it.
Organic. No sign of technology.
Wow, so the cloaking is biological?
Yeah, weird.
I mean, everything around here is biological. I mean, learn that yet?
Wreckage ahead.
It's the other half of our shuttle.
What a mess. I can't believe we survived this.
We're not off planet
Yay.
yet.
Shit, movement on our perimeter. It's an ambush!
Oh hell, they got the jump on us!
Careful, they got one of those animals.
Watch for cloaking!
Ask for them, they forced it.
Trying to surround us! Keep an eye on your 6 o'clock!
And our 2 o'clock. And our 8.
How do I cure myself?
Now who's dead, asshole?
I guess I can't.
There. Got them all.
Oh, cool.
Oh, you're
I
pretty
can
good,
walk up
right?
to stuff and yell make the crashes down. Good to
I fought
know.
the occasional raider or two in my day. I used to guard a Mass Effect relay.
Wish we'd had one for the arcs. Maybe we should see if there's anything else useful here.
Flight recorder here.
Where is it here? Right there? No, well, let's just go.
Some sort of structure up that hill.
Looks like it's a broken lightning rod.
Could explain why the building was damaged. Storms hammered the place.
Maybe a lightning rod of some kind. No idea how to get it working though.
Well, let's hope no one's home.
Doesn't look like a home at all.
Looks abandoned to me.
Yeah, no one's living here.
So what's it for?
Doesn't look like the other structures we've seen. Different design.
Must be a way to get some lights on.
I mean, hopefully there's some ways to get some lights on. After all, I'm enjoying taking everything.
That's not working. Wonder what's inside. Who knows? Let's call it a weird alien machine. We sure could use Sam right about now. Another weird alien machine. What's all this about? You guessed it. Another weird alien machine. Huh. Figures. Only one way to find out. You mean turn it on? Same language as those aliens. Wonder what he's... Nothing. What are you doing, right? Oh shit. That can't be good. Didn't do anything. Oh. So the weird alien machine is a generator. Yeah, sure. Why wouldn't it be? Maybe it did something.
Turn the power on.
Hey, that door opened. Some kind of research lab? Maybe. Then it got hit by a tornado.
Oh, I just did.
Weird. You hear that? Looks like not exactly poetry. What is it? There. So now killer robots too? The Get Back Home would love this place.
Okay. Am I done here? Yeah. Just as it. This. I need to cure myself.
There's some kind of technology on this planet. Older. Underground. Something these aliens... Weather's still crappy. Heads up! They were waiting for us! Damn! They got a lightning rod up and running! Are these things stalking us? Starting to feel like it! This is not how I go out! I don't think they're listening!
And dead.
There! Last one's down. Let's not wait around for more.
Ooh, do I get to take his remains? Go ahead and head this way then.
A path down.
4.3. Anyone there?
Cora, we read you. You're alive.
Shuttle repairs are underway, but we're surrounded.
They're not friendly. On our way. That point marked. Let's get in there. Cora, we got your back.
They're trying to pin us down. Doing a good job of it, too.
Try to light them up. I'm on it.
Yeah, we're learning to light him up.
Pick your target.
Plenty of
I am
those?
picking my target, thank you.
I got one.
What did we ever do to them?
Careful, they fight dirty. Well, that settles that. Cavalry to the rescue. Nice to see you guys. Missed you too, Harry. How is everyone?
Still in one piece. You got here just in time.
Where's my dad?
He went scouting ahead while we fixed the shuttle. Ryder, there's weapons and ammo at the shuttle. Stock up.
Do these things try talking to you at all?
Yeah.
Barely a word. Then started shooting. What about you?
We tried being nice.
Hell! Enemy ship on the way!
Get to cover! Go! Go!
Can I equip the shotgun, please? How do I equip things? Okay, Williams, my squad.
Here they come!
There's gotta be a way to equip the shotgun. It would be nice. Well,
They got balls to try and airdrop.
I'm almost dead.
Since when do rocks float?
Just go with him!
Heads up! Another shuttle incoming!
This weather?
Guess we got their attention. Are those dogs?
I wish. They've got some weird cloaking ability.
You're shitting me!
I wish.
Sound off!
I'm here!
Still alive.
Here!
Present!
I can't get a beat on those things!
There's too many of them! Just keep firing! We can do this!
Man, these guys know how to fight. Damn shrapnel!
I like the commentary they do while they're probably shooting them.
Dad, they won't let up.
Liam, enough.
Right. It's just these assholes kill Kirkland. I hear you, but this isn't the time to lose our cool. Now I feel better.
What about the others?
Fisher's wounded but sitting tight. No sign of Greer, and our shuttle's in pieces.
Guys,
She's been hit! Take cover! Take cover!
hang on!
I didn't know you were biotic.
Don't worry, it's not contagious.
Before they attacked, I managed to fix our comms.
You're a lifesaver. Now just take it easy.
Sam, are you there?
QEC link established. Affirmative, Ryder. The Pathfinder needs to speak with you.
Good to see you in one piece. What's our status?
Liam and I are with Cora.
We have wounded crew. The good news is our shuttle's been repaired. We can get back to the Ark.
Not with these storms. It's too risky to fly.
Our wounded can't wait much longer. Do you have something in mind?
If the storm is the problem, then let's solve the problem.
We're talking about weather.
And I have an idea about that. Rendezvous with my coordinates will... Damn! They spotted me.
Sir? Sir! Can you two manage alone?
I can keep her stable. For a while.
Let's move.
Okay. Well,
Sam,
4.
do you have the Pathfinder's position?
Marking the nav point on your map.
Can I save the game? Well, I guess I'm stuck doing this.
What about Grim?
If he didn't turn up by now, nothing we can do. The Pathfinder's all that matters.
What was my dad scouting for?
He was trying to get readings on that tower.
Well, the network puts him near it.
Exercise caution. The storm front is already gaining intensity.
Nice to have you back, Sam. How about some good news next time?
Can I change my inventory yet? Can I equip it? Deconstruct? No. Power? No. Does it see? No. 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 See? No. Yeah, I know I have skill points, but my question is how do I use my gear? Go ahead and do that one. Oops. Cool. Throw, Nova, Shockwave. I think I'm tech. Yeah. Do with some flamethrower. How about we do that? And can I level ink drain again? No, plus 2 points. Alright. Let's go with fire-based skills.
Sam's right. We don't have much time.
Cool.
Look, the rock. They're drawing the lightning away.
If we hug that wall, they might keep us safe.
Dead bodies here. Lightning didn't do this.
Incendiary rounds! My dad's been busy!
He wasn't in 7. They don't mess around. Somebody was pretty clever with these rocks.
Only way to survive here. 2, if you count shooting on sight.
Sir.
Stay low.
Oh god. The bad guys are here.
Visitors, just like us. I don't think they're native to the planet.
They're not. We found an abandoned lab. Like they've been studying the place.
Good work. You actually did some scouting.
Wouldn't be much of a recon specialist if I didn't.
Well, you're off to a good start.
Baptism by fire.
Sir, you said you had an idea about the weather?
It's the dark energy cloud the Hyperion hit. It's affecting the whole planet, interfering with that.
The tower is caught in a feedback loop with the cloud. Together they're disrupting the entire climate with undirected energy.
Which suggests if we can get in there and shut it down,
The lightning goes away.
and the shuttle can get us out of here, in theory. We just have to get past them.
It's a hell of a gamble. But we won't know until we get in there and try.
No illusions about this. It'll be a nasty fight the whole way.
If the riders are game, so am I. But we risk turning a skirmish with these guys into something worse.
It's them or us.
Oh, it's them. Problem is, we're outnumbered.
I've been working on that. We just need to change the math.
Uh-oh.
Works for me.
Let's go!
Right behind you! Push ahead to the structure!
But I don't wanna. I'm gonna stop here. Whether the checkpoint's at or not, I don't know. Hopefully I don't have to redo all that, but if I do, I'll do it off the camera and then continue at this point since I know exactly where it's at. This game has been pretty amazing, and I look forward to playing it some more. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the Marvelous family. I hope to see you in the next one. Do take care of yourself.